Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you for joining us on another amazing week on the Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family. So this week I've got this 18-inch heart that Wombat makes me. These are my favourite hearts. I think they're the bomb. We're going to get some beautiful blues out and we're going to have some fun with blooms. So kick back, put your feet up. I'll see you at the end, guys. Let's have some fun.
Time was a friend, my faith was an endless road. I never once had to pretend to know which way to go. But I felt a creeping climb on my shoulder to settle down for a night. wanting. It could only be this way, but wanting. For any sign you're on your way, I wanted. Why do you have to keep me so long? I run to, falling like an avalanche. I see you, embarrassed by my feelings crashing into. Why do you have to keep them so long? Will you know me better than I know myself? And will I know you too? Will you breathe in better than somebody else? And will I breathe out you? We sing alone, la 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 la. We sing alone, la 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 la. I'm holding, cradled like a baby in arms. I'm hoping that there's no need for the alarms I built in. I don't need to keep them turned on. Will you know me better than I know myself? And will I know you too? Will you breathe in better than somebody else? And will I breathe out you? We sing along, la 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 la. We sing along, la 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 la. We sing along, la la la. We say along, la la la. We sing along, la la la. We say along, la la la. We sing along, la la la. We say along, la la Love hurts, love hurts, love hurts, love hurts. I don't wanna finish this thing that we started, but that choice has been made for me. I still feel you here, even though you've departed. The dust isn't quite settling. It's so sweet, holding on to hope, holding on to hope, holding on to hope. I'm always expecting to hear from you, darling, despite all the distance we keep.
Alright guys, well I think I'll get Wombat to bring you in for a close-up of this one. I love when he makes me these hearts. I like the little small heart there. They're just fun to play with. So much you can do with them. Alrighty, well, that was blooming good fun. I had a ball and I hope you all enjoyed the Fluid Art Express this week. Thank you for joining us once again. So until next time, take care, stay safe. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day, everyone. Thanks for watching. Go get messy.
I could sit through acid rain. I'll take your place. Love.